Sailing in ancient Egypt dates back thousands of years, with evidence of boats and maritime activities found as far back as the Predynastic period, circa 600–3150 BCE. The ancient Egyptians were pioneers in watercraft technology, with the Nile River playing a crucial role in the daily lives and in the development of sailing techniques. It is believed that the ancient Egyptians began sailing on the Mediterranean Sea around 3000 BCE, during the Early Dynastic period. The availability of wood from the nearby forests of Lebanon and the expertise in boat building allowed the Egyptians to construct seaworthy vessels capable of navigating the open waters of the Mediterranean. These early Egyptian boats were typically made of wood, with sails constructed from woven papyrus reeds or linen. The sailboats were propelled by the wind and oars, allowing the ancient Egyptians to engage in trade, exploration, fishing, and military expeditions along the Mediterranean coast. The ancient Egyptians' mastery of sailing and navigation enabled them to establish trade routes with neighboring regions, such as the Levant, Cyprus, Crete, and even as far as the Aegean Islands. This facilitated the exchange of goods, ideas, and cultural influences between Egypt and other civilizations around the Mediterranean Sea. Sailing played a significant role in the prosperity and expansion of ancient Egyptian civilization, allowing for the transportation of goods, the exploration of new territories, and the establishment of diplomatic relations with foreign powers. The legacy of ancient Egyptian sailing can still be seen in the modern maritime practices and technologies that have evolved over the centuries.